sit back and listen to our math class. In today's class, we are going to learn the concept with replacement and without replacement in probability. With replacement means in a sampling space, if you are taking out an observation and you can take it more than once, then it is known as with replacement. In without replacement, you can't take an observation more than once. That's what the basic difference between with replacement and without replacement. In with replacement, the events are independent, whereas in the case of without replacement, the events are dependent on one another. We can see those things with an example. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. So there are totally 52 cards. In that, we are taking out 2 cards and we have to find the probability that those 2 cards are king. So there are 2 cases given. The first case is the first card is replaced. The first card drawn is replaced. That is, this case is with replacement. Second case is the card is not replaced. So this is without replacement. So in this example, total number of cards is 52. So n of s is 52. Let us consider 2 events, E, F. E be the event of taking out the first card as king. First card as king, and F be the event of taking out the second card as king. We know that in a pack of 52 cards, 4 cards are king. So n of E is 4. This is with replacement. So that n of F also 4. Because the event, if I am taking the king once, then again I can take that king. Okay, that's what the concept of with replacement. Again, I can take out that observation. I can take out that observation more than one time. That's what the concept here. So n of E, for first card, you can take 4 kings. For second time also, you can take the same 4 kings. So let's find the probability of E is 52, total number of cards. In that, the probability is there are 4 kings. So 4 by 52. In a similar way, probability of F. Total number of cards is 52, and in that you can take 4 kings. So 4 by 52. With replacement means those observations are independent. That is, the occurrence of one event won't affect the probability of the second one. So, probability of E intersection F will be equal to probability of E into probability of F. Why I am finding the E intersection F means here the case is you have to find both are kings. So both intersection E and F, these both should be the king. Both the 2 cards should be the king. That's why I am finding the E intersection F. In E intersection F equal to P of E into P of F, because these events are independent. The occurrence of one event won't change the probability of the other one in the case of with replacement. So 4 by 52 into 4 by 52. This is 1 time, this is 13 time, this is 1 time, this is 13 time. 1 by 13 into 1 by 13, 1 by 169. So probability of E intersection F is 1 by 169. Without replacement, the card is not replaced. So if I am taking first card as king means there will be 4 kings. So n of E equal to 4. This is without replacement. So you can take an observation only once. So if I have taken first card as king means then second card the probability will be 3, because already I took 1 card. The king card I already took 1 card. So in second card in the event F, my n of F will be 3. That is one card will be reduced. Next, I have to find the probability of E. So probability of E means total number of cards is 52. In that, I have a chance of taking 4 cards. 4 by 52. In probability of F, already I took 1 card. So, in total number of cards, 1 card will be reduced. That is 51. Next, already in 4 kings, I took 1 king. So, there will be 3 kings alone. This is the probability of E and this is the probability of F. These events are dependent. These events are dependent on one another. So, here probability of E intersection F equal to probability of E into probability of F provided that E has already happened. So, probability of E is 4 by 52. Probability of F provided that E has already happened is 3 by 51. 3 by 51. So, by further simplification, this is 1 time, this is 1 time, 17, 1 time, 13. So, 1 by 13 into 1 by 17. So, 13 into 17. 2 to 1. This is the probability of E intersection F. That is probability of drawing both the cards as king in the case of without replacement. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos related to both school and college maths. Thank you.